In this video, we're going to see the second part of data managing through forms. We are going to see the form creation from different sources and the data upload, introducing data through various methods. In the form creation, you know that we can create forms manually by clicking each of the fields and dragging them into the form depending on what we need in the application. We have other forms, other ways like an Excel or CSV or TSV file, or by using the templates from Zoho Creator to make the creation of forms faster. If we go to an application, Zoho Creator, we go into the setup and the dashboard, and we can create a new form from scratch, which is the manual form, where we drag and drop the fields, importing a file or from a template. Let's see the templates. We could define a name to the form, for example, to do, and select the template to do, where we can adapt the tasks, the pending tasks that we have. Apart from the templates, there are the forms from the application. So we can create a form from another form which is similar. So we don't need to create it twice. We just create the template and then we can modify the data. Let's choose the to-do template and create the form. The information is uploading. It can take a few seconds to create the form. Automatically, it's going to create the fields that are defined in this template. In this case, we can see a series of fields. Some of them are mandatory. Others have options. For example, we have the date, creation, and deadline date for the creation of this task. As you can see, it's very easy to create a form from a template. We can modify this template, creating new fields. We also have the option to create a form by importing a file. When I select this option, I can browse to see which file, and as you can see, we have different options to look for the file. To create a form, we would need a CSV or TSV file, and we can see we have different sources that we can choose it from, like my computer or the cloud, for example, Zoho Docs, Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox. We would select a file. In this case, I'm going to upload a contact file, as you can see here, which has two fields, first name, last name, an email field and a birth date field. I select the file and I attach it. I can say in which section I want to put it or create a new section, and I import it. With this option, I will get a counter of the rows that I'm going to import, because with this option, I'm not only going to create the form, but I am also going to import the data, and I'm going to upload the data in the file. And it also tells me for each of the columns